Okay, so for this week, a few different things. Number one, good luck on the ACT. If you have any questions regarding that, please let me know sooner than later. Um, First things first, Monday, your body paragraph 2 is due. We spent some time working on that on Monday and just reviewing for the ACT test. So make sure that is turned in. On Wednesday, any questions you have about the ACT test or had while taking the test, we're going to talk about, and then we are going to move on to finish up your essay. You need to write your conclusion, and I know a lot of you have been working on your works cited page. You just need to make sure that's formatted correctly, and then you're going to turn in a rough draft of your essay by Friday. Now, other than continuing our reading of Fahrenheit 451 and taking a couple, well, probably only the one quiz before the quarter closes, your essay is all that's going on your grade. So a week from Wednesday, the grade will be closed. So if you have anything for third quarter, you need to get it in by then. And that's basically all we will be doing on Friday is revising your essay and then turning in all missing assignments. I'm going to go through your grade with each of you. If you have any other questions, let me know.